Let's learn about WCAG 2.1 Success Criterion 3.1.2 Language of Parts. This criterion is designed to ensure that web pages are identified as being in a specific human language for individual parts of the page, such as headings, paragraphs, and phrases. This allows assistive technologies to accurately pronounce and interpret the content for users. To meet this criterion, websites must ensure that the human language of each part of the web page is identified in the code. For example, an HTML web page includes links to versions of the page in other languages, for example, Deutsch, Francais, Nederlands, Catalan, etc. The text of each link is the name of the language, in that language. The language of each link is indicated via a lang attribute. Here are some examples of how to implement WCAG 2.1 Success Criterion 3.1.2 in code. Use the lang attribute. Use the lang attribute to specify the human language of each part of the web page. Use ARIA attributes. Use the ARIA lang attribute to specify the human language of specific sections of the web page that are not already marked up with the lang attribute. By implementing these techniques, websites can ensure that their content is accessible to users who rely on assistive technologies and meets WCAG 2.1 Success Criterion 3.1.2 Language of Parts.